we're going to calculate root of I. This is root of -1. If you think you can do it, stop the video now and next continue to see if we have the same result. Alright, so first let's put I, that is a imaginary number. Actually it is a complex number, that is 0 plus 1I. This is a complex number, and in the argand coordinates it leaves 0 in the x-axis, that is the real part of the complex number, and in the y-axis we have the imaginary numbers, so we have just 1I, so would be 0, let's say would be, we don't say 0,1, we say 0 plus 1I. So it's in this point, this is I. This is I. So in polar coordinate, we have the complex number is equal to E to the theta. Theta is the angle with the horizontal line, times the modulus. The modulus is the length of let's say of this vector. So R, sometimes we say R, that R is the modulus. So here the modulus would be, we have 0 in this direction and 1 in this direction, is 0 squared plus 1 squared, root of this, because this point is 0, well, it's 0, 1, and here is 0, 0, so 0 minus 0 and 1 minus 0, we have 0 squared plus 1 squared, this is just 1. Alright, so R, the modulus is 1, and the degrees are 90 degrees, but we put them in terms of pi. So I is equal to E to the 90 degrees, that is pi over 2 times 1. This is I in polar coordinate. Next, we want to know the root of I. Root is the same as elevate to the half power. So root of I is equal to root of pi of E to the pi over 2. This is E to the pi over 2 all to the 1/2. So this is E to the pi over 4. And this, now we want to convert it to normal coordinates, to Cartesian coordinates. So now we are going to, from polar to Cartesian. We will have pi to the 4. That means that we are in 45 degrees angle. So now the root of I of this point is E to the pi over 4. So it's here. The coordinates are cosine and sine. Cosine of 45 degrees is 1 over root of 2, or the same as root of 2 over 2. And the sine is the same, 1 over root of 2 or root of 2 over 2. Sine with I. So this point, this coordinates, is 1 over root of 2 plus 1 over root of 2I. And this is square root of I. We could also put it as cosine of pi over 4 plus sine of pi over 4 times I.